How to know if you are restricted on Messenger? Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app in your Android from your Play Store. Now open it in your Android. Now you can see the desktop of your Messenger. How we can know that we are restricted on Messenger or we are blocked on Messenger? Firstly, you can see here DP of the person that will not be in front of you. You are unable to see the DP of the person that blocked you. And the second method, before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Second, when you have to send message and still that person is online, but this tick you can see here will be shown a single tick. If you are unblocked that person is online, then you will see that double tick will be marked in your Android. If you are unblocked and the person is online, you can see that your message is not being delivered. It means you are restricted on Messenger. That was all. This both procedure is for Messenger on Android as well as on iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.